Next, Leo. Leo, joy. Bottle being spilled and the joy flowing out of it. Okay, give me three cards for Leo, please. Three cards for Leo and joy. Three cards for Leo and joy. Three cards for Leo, joy. Are you feeling joy about Leo? It's letting go of temptations and this negative thought process that maybe you're constantly going through. I also kind of want to say anxiety. I feel a huge amount of anxiety coming off of this, and with the devil being here, this is anxiety, and but there is this going away from it and maybe locking it up in a little bit on a little box and placing it in your whatever you're burying this little box deep in the ground, because now it's time. You are now being called. Your The universe is now calling you, and then it's telling you, let go of these temptations, let go of this anxiety, let it shed, make a new skin, so you will be able to